Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Pypes Performance Stainless Steel catback exhaust systems available for both the 97 to 06 Wrangler and the 91 to 01 Cherokee. Now these systems are made right here in the USA from 2.5-inch diameter 304 stainless steel tubing for the ultimate in corrosion resistance, and they're Mandrel bent for superior flow. Now both kits feature the Street Pro muffler, which sounds great at idle and under acceleration features a smooth, bold tone. Now it's a great street muffler that's perfect for both stock and modified Jeeps, and it's sure to deliver an aggressive sound. Now installation is easy thanks to the new included exhaust clamps and all the new exhaust hangers, and Pypes even includes both a slip style and a ball and socket style adapter for connection to the catalytic converter, making these kits a true bolt-on catback exhaust for all model years of the 97 to 06 Wrangler and the 91 to 01 Cherokee. Now the kit for the Wrangler uses a shorter tailpipe design with a subtle turn down tip that fits great even with aftermarket bumpers and gives you the maximum clearance while off-road without fear that you'll crush a larger straight exhaust tip. Now the kit for the 91 to 01 Cherokee uses a slightly longer tailpipe section, again with that same subtle turn down. Now if you want to purchase a Pypes Performance stainless steel exhaust for your Jeep, simply click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. And if you've got any questions or comments about this Pypes catback, well, you can leave them for us in the comments section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Now we're gonna go ahead and head outside so that we can check out the new exhaust. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.